Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got a cool little series coming up right now. I got about 7 videos ready to post, 1 a week here. We're doing a virtual car show, okay? Each video is going to have roughly about 16 to 20 cars. Some will have sound, some will just have pictures. Check it out. It's going to be a lot of fun. We get to check out a lot of the cool cars, builds, and finished products that people have going on. Thanks again to all my Facebook friends for sending in your photos and your videos of some of them. And stay tuned. One of yours might be on one of these videos. All right, guys, let's check it out. All right, guys, we got number 7 of the virtual car show. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun. Got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember, guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.